I'd just like to share with you in lesson 154 in Rabbi Nachman's Wisdom, Sichos Aron. Rabbi Nachman says a fascinating idea, which he talks about a lot, and it's one of the themes that go through Rabbi Nachman's teachings of the simple man's avodah, and living life with simplicity. That Rabbi Nachman says that how did he reach the levels that he reached? Rabbi Nachman says that the way he reached the levels he reached is the opposite of what most people would think, but rather what it was is through the simple man's avodah, which he goes on to explain, which is talking to God in your own words and reciting psalms. Because really, it's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing that we think that sometimes the way God wants us to serve Him is through complexity and really understanding every little thing and thinking about things. And Rav Nachman says, no. The way to serve God is just with simplicity. Just talk to God in your own words. Just recite psalms. Just learn Torah. Just keep the law. And that's it. And through that, we will all merit to reach high heights. And it's a fascinating idea, and it's an amazing idea if you really ponder on it, and if you really think about it, that what God wants from us is just simple things. What God wants from us is just simplicity, just to be simple people. I mean, obviously, this type of simplicity is probably one of the hardest things, because we're living in such a complicated generation where there's so much complexion, so much technology and different things which are really, really complicated. But what God wants from us is just to be good, simple, not simple and stupid, but simple in thought, that we have faith in one God. There's one God, that's it. There's only one God. There's one Torah. Meaning there's not many, there's one, because God is one. And the world is really one. Everything is one. Simplicity. And through that, we can reach high heights.